For SMBs looking for an easy and secure backup system, the options can seem intimidating. While cloud storage is popular with some SMBs, established, proven technologies like LTO tape still have many advantages. And owning and using a tape library is simpler than you may think. In fact, the installation and operation of an HPE tape backup solution is designed to be simple. When you receive your HPE StoreEver 1.8 Autoloader, installation could not be easier. Unpack the unit. The first step is to add the tape device to a spare slot in your server rack. Next, fit the LTO drive into the Autoloader and connect the power and SAS interface cable. Once powered up, you can download and install backup software to connect the Autoloader to the server. In this example, we're going to use Veeam. After installation, Veeam will automatically check your system to find and install any missing components it needs. You're ready to go. To create your first backup, simply tell the software what you want backed up. Select drive or VMs as necessary. Then confirm where you want the backup to be saved, in this case the HPE StoreEver 1.8 Autoloader. You can run the backup straight away or schedule it for later. The tape library will select and insert the correct tape, and then the drive will begin saving data to that cartridge. After the first backup, the software is intelligent enough to only back up the files that have changed, making the whole process much faster. An HPE tape autoloader or library automates almost all of the day-to-day tasks, so you are free to focus on other things. It is recommended to keep copies of the data both on-site for quick restoration of files and off-site in case of any damage to your business premises. Restoring data from tape is easy too. Find the files you want to restore and the library automatically selects and loads the correct tape. Tell the software where to restore to and set the job going. Restoration of single files will happen quickly. If you need to restore all your system data, for example in the case of a ransomware attack, it may take a little while longer depending on how much data you have. But the method is still the same, regardless of whether it's a single file or a full system recovery. The benefits of LTO tape are clear. It is simple to install and use, gives you full control of your own data, and eliminates costly data recovery charges. And having multiple copies that can be moved off-site and offline, tape is the best way to protect against ransomware attacks. Your data is your business, and with HPE StoreEver tape, you're always in full control of it. Protection and peace of mind do not have to be confusing or costly. The HPE StoreEver 1.8 Autoloader is the proof.